Hey friends, if you wish to know more about account protection in Windows, then please watch this video. So search for Windows security in the Windows search bar and open Windows security. Go to the account protection tab on the list on the left hand side. Now I'll explain everything on the tab itself. So there are two types of accounts. One is a local account and one is a Microsoft account. The local account is not protected and you don't actually need specific protection for it because it is simply linked with a password. Okay, so you are trying to log into your system, you will either use a password or you won't use any password and directly log into your system. So if that is what you wish to use, that's up to you. But if you are using a Microsoft account, then you can obviously view your account information, and I'll tell you what it is all about. And you can go to Windows Hello, manage sign in options, and you can also configure dynamic lock settings through the same tab. Now one may ask, what is the significance of Windows Hello and all of this account protection? So the thing is that when you are logging in through an email ID based account, it is single sign on, but still. Now what happens is that your password is stored on the cloud, your password is stored on the internet, and if someone has access to your password, that person can access your account from anywhere, like from any server, anything. But if you are using Windows Hello pin login, facial recognition or fingerprint recognition or any such thing, in that case that person will need localized access to your computer to access your account, which is not going to be easy. That it means that person needs physical access to your device. Then the next one is dynamic lock settings. Dynamic lock settings says that Windows will automatically lock when your device when you're away. And how does it judge it? You'll have to connect your phone to it, and if you are away, if you take your phone away, it will automatically lock your system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.